narration of vocatives যেটা সম্বোধন. It is important to note that conversation of vocatives into addressing as is now treated as in English. It should be avoided thus. Directly, he said to the officer, "Yes, sir, I shall do this." Indirectly হবে, he told the officer politely that he would do that. If we write addressing the officer as such, he told him that he would do that. It would be bad English. Addressing as should be used only when there is no other way to express vocatives. ভকেটিভকে যেখানে অ্যাড্রেসিং অ্যাজ দ্বারা প্রকাশ করা ছাড়া অন্য কোনো বিকল্প পাওয়া যায় না, কেবল সেখানে অ্যাড্রেসিং অ্যাজ ব্যবহার করা হয়। ভকেটিভস মে বি omitted as in the above example or may be dealt with as below. সম্বোধনকে বাদ দেওয়া যায় অথবা অন্যভাবে পরিবর্তন করা চলে। এক্সাম্পল: নাও স্টাডি দ্য কনভারসেশন অফ দ্য ফলোয়িং vocatives. Directive, father said, Sunil, go to school. Indirect, father asked Sunil to go to school. The teacher said, keep quiet, my boy. Indirect, the teacher asked the boy to keep quiet. The teacher said, keep quiet, my dear boys. Indirect, the teacher affectionately asked the boy to keep quiet.